Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ria and you are watching Beauty and Makeup. You must understand by looking at the content what I am going to show you. I am going to create this look by using minimum amounts of product, or you can say for beginners also. So without further ado, let's begin. From my hypnotic eyeshadow palette by the brand Revolution. In this video, I will do my whole makeup with this palette. Here my both sides are done. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyelids and around my eyebrows. I am applying concealer on my eyelids just because it gives a base for eyeshadow, and around my eyebrows just because it gives perfect shape to eyebrows and it looks more clean. I'm using my beauty blender for blending it. If you have a concealer brush, you can use it. My both sides are done. After applying concealer, I am applying banana powder into my eyelids because it gives flawless base for eyeshadow, and by applying it does not make crease into the eyelids. Here I am using this shade as my transition shade from my Revolution palette and applying it on my crease area. Next, I'll use this shade and put it on my transition shade so that these both shades will not look separate. Outer V to your inner eyelids and blend it slowly so that eyeshadow blend all over your eyes. I'm using this shade with my big eyeshadow brush on my eyelids. I'm using this brush for putting all my transition shade into my crease area again. I use this transition shade. Here I am applying concealer into my eyelids. Make sure whenever you are applying concealer into your eyelids, only apply it on your eyelid area. Don't apply all over your eye. I applied these two shimmer shades into eyelid area where I applied concealer. First I applied golden color, then second I applied copper golden color. I use a smaller or fine tip eyeshadow brush for blending shadow or shimmer together. Also, I use my eyeshadow brush for blending both the shades together so that it will not look separate. Now I am applying all the shades which I applied crease area or eyelids area into lower lash line with the help of fine tip eyeshadow brush. Here I applied Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It is waterproof and it curls all your lashes. Here my eyes are done. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. Here I am applying orange corrector into my dark circles on my dark spots. Orange corrector may help to hide your all dark spots or dark circles. Here I apply base instead of foundation. If you guys have a foundation, you can also apply foundation. I blend my base or foundation with my foundation brush. If you guys have beauty blender, you can also use it. After applying base, I set it all with banana powder with my same brush, because it's not possible everyone have all brushes available, so you can make your single brush your all-rounder brush. Here I'm doing baking under my eye area. I'm doing contour with this shade with my same eyeshadow palette. Guys, as you can see, my face is looking so sharp in shape. I also doing contour on my nose with my eyeshadow brush. Here I am doing baking with banana powder under my contouring area, and also I am doing it on my nose. I use this pink shade from my eyeshadow palette as blusher. Also, I use this shimmer shade as a highlighter. I am applying it on brow bone, on the nose and the bone of my cheeks, and also I applied it on my chin. Finally, this time for lip shade. I apply brown shade on my lip and mix it all and apply lip gloss over it so that it looks very glamorous. Finally, I'm dusting out all my baking powder. Oh, sorry, banana powder. Here it is done.